One of the difficult parts to this job was the actual physical time difference with Japan and the UK. We were doing conference calls at 4 o'clock in the morning, and just getting the information flow going was quite difficult with the actual time differences. The physical build of this one, yet again, was quite a complicated lattice work of steel, which threw up its challenges because all these steel blocks had to fit together, and we literally had about a 5mm tolerance level on the whole of the structure, which for something of this size, which was 23 metres from end to end, was no mean feat. The installation on site was extremely complicated, as in setting out the base structures so the actual layers above would fit, so it took for some extremely complicated surveying, measuring and double checking. The most satisfying part of this job, yet again, was the finished article, and the way it, just totally unexpectedly, the way it looked, the way it lit, and basically the way it was received, which was extremely well received by the press and all visitors alike. When everything came together, the steel work, the glass floor, the concrete floor and everything else, and when it all just gelled together at the end, it was quite satisfying just to sit back and have a look at what we'd achieved.